Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify to Spotify two-step authentication. Do you know how to fix or how to solve Spotify two-step authentication? You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page of storage we click clear cache as you see, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.